Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to auto-highlight row based on cell value in Excel. To auto-highlight row based on cell value in Excel, you can do the following. Select the entire dataset. In the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, write the formula equals $D2 equals double quotes, made double quotes. Made is the value which you want to enter in your Excel. Then select Format and go to Fill and then choose an appropriate color for highlighting and click OK. Now if you type Made, the rule highlights rows based on the input cell. That's it, very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.